Curve passing through points x1, y1 and x2, y2, which when rotated about x-axis gives a minimum surface area. In this question, we are asked to assume that a curve S1 is passing through x1, y1 and x2, y2. This curve S1, when rotates about x-axis, it will generate a solid, and we have to find out the equation of curve y equals f of x, or the equation of curve S1, which will generate a solid of minimum surface area. Suppose ds is the small portion on the curve S1. When ds rotates about x-axis, it will generate a ring, and the radius of the ring will be equal to height of the curve. Assume the height as y. Therefore, the ring generated will have radius equals y. Surface area of this small ring will be 2 pi y into ds. This ring has to move from x equals x1 to x equals x2 to generate the complete solid generated when this curve completely rotates about x-axis. Suppose capital S is the surface area of the solid generated when the curve rotates about x-axis. Then we have the solid generated will have surface area capital S equals 2 pi into integral x equals x1 to x equals x2 into y ds. Or we have the surface area of the solid generated will be integral x1 to x2 2 pi y into ds. We have integral x1 to x2 ds denotes arc length of the complete curve S1, which has the standard formula integral x1 to x2 root of 1 plus y dash square into dx. Thus, the equation for surface area of the solid generated about x-axis will be capital S equals 2 pi times integral x1 to x2 y into root of 1 plus y dash square dx. We wish to minimize the equation of surface area. This becomes a functional, and we have capital F equals y into root of 1 plus y dash square. Capital F is independent of x, and we have f minus y dash into dou f by dou y dash equals c will give us the extremum. When you evaluate dou f by dou y dash, that is dou by dou y dash of this expression, y will be treated as constant. Dou by dou y dash of root of 1 plus y dash square will be 1 by 2 times root of 1 plus y dash square into derivative of y dash square in the numerator. Derivative of y dash square is 2y dash. 2 and 2 get cancelled, and in the numerator we have constant y into y dash, and in the denominator we have root of 1 plus y dash square. The expression capital F minus y dash into dou f by dou y dash equals c reduces to this equation. Here you can take LCM. When root of 1 plus y dash square gets multiplied to this expression, it is free of square root. And we have the common denominator root of 1 plus y dash square. In the numerator, when you multiply y to inside the bracket 1 plus y dash square, you have positive y dash square and this negative y dash square getting cancelled. So the LHS reduces to y by root of 1 plus y dash square. From this expression, you can find out the expression for y dash, which is y equals c root of 1 plus y dash square, giving us y square by c square equals 1 plus y dash square. From where we have y dash equals root of y square minus c square upon c. Here we have dy by dx equals root of y square minus c square upon c. We separate variables and integrate both sides. We obtain integral dy by root of y square minus c square equals integral dx upon c plus c dash, which is the integration constant. This LHS is the expression for inverse hyperbolic cosine, and we have LHS becoming cos h inverse y by c. After integration, RHS becomes x plus a by c. We have this equation rewritten as y equals c cos h x plus a by c, which is the equation of famous curve catenary. So catenary is the curve which when rotated about x-axis will generate solid of minimum surface area.